taking a look at. What was this one? TSM. Man, listen, we got into TSM over here. Look where we at now. You see why long-term wins? Look where we at now. We went all the way down to 126. A lot of people canceled their membership because of TSM. I know they're gonna look back, see the same TSM and be like, God damn. That's because people don't understand that the market is gonna move when and how it wants to move. But the analysis was still right. You know what I mean? The analysis was right. If you bought 3-4 months out, you made money. If you bought at 135, you making money. If you bought at 128, you making money, right? If you bought at 148, you making money. We bought somewhere here. Initially, we got in at 140. It came down. We bought some more, but look where it's at. So regardless of when, if you bought at 140 and it's at 173, you made money.